Dude, let's go.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Untamed Outdoorsmen. And today we are back fishing once again, and today we're going to be doing some bank fishing. So this is going to be a fun one because I am actually fishing after work, middle of the week. I am really trying, not that you guys into every aspect of my personal life, but I'm really trying to make a conscious effort to do the things that I enjoy during the week instead of just praying and waiting for the weekends. You know, I want to make sure I do things that I enjoy, you know. I don't have to only do things I enjoy in the weekend, so this is me trying to do that. But yeah, anyway, yeah guys, it should be a good one. This pond we've fished a lot in the past, probably half dozen times at least. We've always crushed it, so I'm thinking we're gonna do that again. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Enjoy. I've been trying the slobber knockers lately. Yeah, they're pretty solid. Come on, there we go. There we go. That's a decent one. Oh, came off.
Yeah, I saw him.
Yeah, you saw him.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot less weeds though.
Yeah, try putting it right under that tree there. Yeah, I got a really dark like June bug. I'm gonna try that. Oh, I just had one. Oh my God.
I'm on.
You're on?
Yep.
Nice.
Oh, it's on.
It's pickerel?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yep.
Yeah, it'd be one thing if I had.
No.
I don't have any grip strength.
Yeah, so I switched to this. It's like a June bug, black and blue color scheme here.
He was straight out, by the way.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking we have to do. If you want to come up here, there's plenty of these like grass, like. Oh, I'm on. Yep. Big bass.
A bass?
Yep. Okay, I think that might be the strat. Dark colors. Good one too. Yeah. Heck yeah. Can you see it through the trees?
Oh yeah, I can see him.
Here we go. Sweet. That was right in front of us. Right where I was casting that whole time. All right, I think they like dark colors. I'm on. Yeah, it's not bad. Oh, dude, it's actually really good. Yep. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'll take that any day. All right, everybody. Another one. Another solid fish. We're good. Let's get him back out there. Beautiful fish. Heck yeah, man. Awesome. I'm on again. Might be the biggest one so far. Oh, dude, I'm hammering. You might need to come back over here. Oh yeah, biggest one so far. Oh, I went swimming. I went swimming. Oh, I went swimming, but I got him. Yeah, I did. Well, no, not all the way. My pants are soaked. Another one. Yeah, you might want to come back over here. They're starting to heat up. Another one. Beauty. They've all been at least 2 pounds so far. That one felt like I hit a tree. Then I set the hook and it started moving. Oh, I just got tapped again. I'm on. You might want to come back over here. Oh, yeah. Another one. Smallest one so far, but still at least a pound. All right, everybody. So that is going to do it for today's video. Really hope you guys enjoyed. Really small one this week. I wanted to do some bank fishing in the middle of the week to kind of, you know, put some excitement in the middle of our work week. And we managed to do just that. I got either 4 to 6 bass. I can't fully remember. Pete also caught a pickerel. Happy to see him on the channel. And yeah, definitely stay tuned for many more coming in a very short amount of time. So thank you very much. We'll see you next time. Thank you. Not a bad way to spend an hour after work, I'll tell you that. No.